Here are the 5 reasons bakit super favorite ko si Chan Shi-wei or Fan Changyu ng Pursuit of Jade. One of the reasons bakit super naging sikat ng Pursuit of Jade kasi ang lakas ng chemistry at perfect pairing si Zhang Linghe and si Chan Shi-wei. So si Chan Shi-wei actually reminds me of Sanchai of Meteor Garden, si Barbie Shu, and it's been a while since we were graced by a TV royalty with such charm. So, isa sa mga reason bakit super favorite ko siya is because she does her own stunts. I mean, nagulat ako when I was scrolling on my TikTok and then nakita ko na siya pala talaga yung nagpe-perform ng mga stunts niya, yung mga action scenes niya, yung mga palipad-lipad niya, and then yung paghawak niya ng butcher's knife and yung sword. And I have massive respect for these Chinese actors kasi nag-aaral talaga sila ng martial arts. And majority of their stunts, including yung mga horse riding nila, is real. So sila talaga yon, hindi AI yon, hindi CGI yon, walang body double doon. It is really them who do a lot of their stunts and the intensity and dedication is really there. So number one talaga makikita mo yung discipline ni Chan Shi-wei. And the second reason why I love Chan Shi-wei is nalaman ko na cat person pala siya. So when I was checking her social media accounts, apart from being really adorable and charming, at versatile siya na actress na lagi nilang sinasabi, I can relate with her because cat person din talaga ako. I mean, I would really find it amusing kapag yung mga actors talaga is gustong-gusto nila yung mga pusa kasi it says a lot about their character. So, feeling ko may pagka-introvert din talaga tong si Chan Shi-wei, pero may pagka, alam mo yun, napaka-cute ng mga postings niya about her cat. Tapos yung pangalan ng pusa niya is Kang Kang. At karaniwan nga, sinishare niya sa social media yung mga pictures and posters nila kasama yung pusa niya. So, it's so adorable. Basta cat person, agree ako dyan. And yung third reason, bakit nagustuhan ko si Chan Shi-wei and why I like her and is that she really wants to embody Fan Changyu. Alam mo yun, yung talagang gusto niyang makuha yung essence and character ni Fan Changyu. So she really read the novel, The Pursuit of Jade, at sabi niya, I really want to become Fan Changyu. Dahil dun, nag-aral talaga siya ng mga alam mo yung mga weapons, butcher's knife, and she really took the time na i-cultivate yung sarili niya. And sabi niya nga she wants to become optimistic, strong, and brave like Fan Changyu. Kasi yung character talaga sa The Pursuit of Jade, matutuwa ka kasi she is really, alam mo yung simple-minded man siya, pero her heart is really pure. And then, nandun yung skills niya and yung tenacity niya. So, hindi man siya marunong magbasa and hindi man siya very well educated, makikita mo doon na dahil may tenacity siya sa buhay at strong-willed siya, nalalagpasan niya yung mga problema. Naalala ko nga yung one scene doon na sinabi niya, her mom and dad told her that kailangan no matter what, kumain siya at matulog siya para yung katawan niya at spirit niya ay lumakas. So no matter what problem you are undergoing on in life, kahit maano mamang problema na pinagdadaanan natin, kailangan maging mentally strong tayo at wag nating pababayaan ang katawan at spirito natin. So we have to continue fighting and believing and to never lose hope. So natutuwa ako kasi she really wants to embody Fan Changyu. I mean, sa totoo lang ha, feel na feel niya talaga na siya yung character na nabuhat niya nga si Zhang Linghe, di ba? Ang bigat-bigat ni Zhang Linghe. Tapos nabuhat niya talaga kasi feeling niya talaga malakas din siya, kagaya ng character na si Fan Changyu. And then yung number 4, si Chan Shi-wei knows how to be cute without annoying. So she is a natural. Sobrang natural talaga siya. It is easy for her to portray a neat a naive or cute or eccentric character without the need to be trying so hard ha. So hindi siya trying so hard, makikita mo doon na very natural and of course nakakatulong na she has very expressive eyes. Malaki yung mata niya and hindi siya overrated. Actually, she looks like a doll. And actually, yung sister niya also looks like her. So, hindi siya retokado. Makikita mo talaga na unique features niya yon and that makes her stand out. I think sinasabi nga nila that she is overrated but I feel at sabi rin ng sister ko that she is in fact underrated at dapat she should be given more projects and highlight pa rin. And it's really nice that because of the pursuit of Jade, she is finally getting noticed. So, ewan ko lang kung may mga controversies surrounding her, kaya hindi pa siya masyado sumisikat the way she should, na kagaya ni Barbie Shoe. Pero I feel that she is deserving of this one. And number five, strong chemistry with co-stars. Alam mo yun, makikita mo naman sa Pursuit of Jade and sa other drama niya, she is very believable. She can make you believe that she is really in love. I think partly nga because she exemplifies and believes na siya talaga yung mga character niya. So, tong si Zhang Linghe and Chan Shiwei has mastered the art of making you believe. So, napaka-lively talaga nila. Hindi sila overacting. And strong yung presence nila. And itong si Chan Shiwei, ang maganda sa kanya, she is able to um, excel kahit na modern drama and historical drama or even kahit costume drama siya. And I think she will also do well, di ba, sa comedy. So, makikita mo na yung range of acting skills niya. So, yun. I think nakita nyo na rin siguro, no, yung bagong Gucci shoot nila wherein they're trying to be versatile with each other. So, thank you sa pakikinig and I hope that you love the content and always remember that Jesus Christ loves you. God bless.